Where you going? Ain't got no paper, Mads, have we? Don't get throw them all over, look. You need some paper, man, so you can draw. Get some drawing done, like you did at workshop. There's Maddie's mummy. Bit camera shy. Right, you went. Do it. Gone to the hospital for Maddie's check-up, hearing check-up. I'll get you. I'll get you before the day's out. Wait with Mads, we'll get your mum on before the day's out. Pick your cranes up, Mads. Good girl. Put it back in your box.
Maddie. 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 Maddison. Maddie. 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 Chew it out. Maddie, chew it out. Maddie.
Look here. Hey? Look at mummy, look. No hearing aids now, eh, Mads? Don't need no hearing aids in up to now. Do we? Your ears are getting better. So that's good, isn't it? Yeah? You don't have to wear hearing aids, but might keep them in. We'll come back in 2 weeks. Don't we? Just to make sure. And they're getting better. But you've got selective hearing at home. You don't always listen, do you? No. Alright then. Good girl, well done. Wait a minute, horrible weather, Mads. Raining. I'm back to the car now. Yeah? Go to Morrison's. Yeah? Maddie's mummy's pushing, look. Not much where you going when. Get back to the car and go shopping. Oh! Quick! Shopping done, spent a bit more money we ain't got, eh, Mads? Spent a bit more. Isn't it? There's mummy putting stuff away in the back, look. We're going home now. Hey? Go on, Matt, it's miserable weather. It's raining, look. Isn't it? So we're going to go home now. We'll get some dinner on. Shall we? Hey? Yeah. And we'll get some dinner. There she is, look. There's mummy, look. Not looking. Say hello, Maddie. Yeah? What's the one?
Nothing.
Hey? What are you laughing at? What are you done?
Nothing.
Hey? Right, let's go home then, Mads. We'll get some dinner on.